Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and today I would like to unbox a very special kit from American-based company Craftably. To tell you the truth, I have not heard about this company before my recent 5 best diamond painting stores video, where my subscriber Lisa mentioned Craftably. So I decided to check it out and was very pleasantly surprised.
First of all, I loved the fact that all their designs are licensed and they have very nice landscapes and Christmas related images. They ship from the States, Texas. And what I liked the best is that not only the original images are displayed on their website, but also the canvas itself and in 90% of cases, the completed kit. It is super important for me to see how the image looks finished before I make a decision to purchase it. Because as you know, in diamond painting, canvas rendering might be really very misleading. It might look really very detailed on the canvas, but turn out pixelated and vice versa. If there is no completed kit displayed, there is a video unboxing of the kit in which can be seen all the contents of the kit, including every single bag of drills. So to try this company out, I ordered this kit, a letter from Santa, which was and still is on a 33% sale. So I can see the original picture, the canvas rendering, here it is, and the unboxing video of the contents of this kit. And once we unbox the kit, I will elaborate on why I called this kit, as all other kits that Craftably sells, special one.
It took almost a week for the kit to arrive and the shipping cost was $10. So in total I paid $41.97, although there is a free shipping offered with a $100 purchase. So let's open and see the contents inside. Oh my god, this is so cute. I have never had anything coming in a tube like that. This is a plastic tube and there is a written note. Hello from Texas. We appreciate you supporting our small family business. We love seeing people ordering from around the globe and they ask to follow them on social media. This is so sweet. So the diamond kit itself is coming in a plastic tube. Very good one. So it is packaged in a pretty strong, reliable plastic tube that prevents the canvas and the drills from damaging. Although starting August 10th, they stop sending the kits in the plastic tubes. This way, they will not rise the prices on their keys in the future, because I do understand that this tube must be kind of expensive, to purchase and package every single kit in it. But if you want to, get yours in a tube, just place your order before August 10th. After August 10th, they will sell these tubes separately from their kits. Now, a really very nice soft fabric bag. As far as I understand, there are the tools in there. And I ordered this separately. I ordered it for $2. This is a straightener, although I have never really needed it, but I want to try to use it and see if it's worth it, to straighten the rows. Okay, now let's open this cute fabric bag. This is the contents of the fabric bag with the tools. We see the tools in here in a reusable plastic bag. The tray, the hand gripper, the wax, really nice tweezers, the stylus with two 4-placers and one 7-placer. I really love 7-placers a lot. The tweezers are pretty sharp. They remind me of Ever Moment ones. Now, what else? Oh my god. They put 2 washi tapes as a gift. Ooh, this is a cute macaroon. I want, let me see. So this is a cover minder, also a gift, a cover minder, very nice, and an additional container of wax. And that's what was inside the tube itself. By the way, this thing is adjustable. And I see another bag coming with a kit that was inside the box. So 2 more washi tapes as a gift and this beautiful cover minder. I really love this one. I love everything that sparkles. So this thingy, red glittery thingy, is really adorable. So as always, let's start with the canvas. Before we look at the canvas more closely, I just wanted to mention that this kit also comes with these stickers, label stickers that you can stick on the Ziploc bags. Now, let's start with the canvas. The canvas material. If you ever worked on a Diamond Art Club canvas, it would be really very similar to you. This canvas is soft on the back and plastic on the front, really very well framed with 2 legends on both sides, on the left and right, which is super convenient. The canvas itself on the front is very sparkly. So again, this is very, very similar to Diamond Art Club canvas. The name of the kit is A Letter for Santa by Daniel Rogers, and the size is 18 by 24 inches. A full round drill diamond painting kit. The adhesive is a poured glue. Let's try. Oh my god, I can feel how sticky it is. Yes, it is pretty sticky. And as you can see, the glue doesn't extend a lot beyond the design. The symbol printing is very clear, no black wheels around the symbols, which is great. Here it is. This kit comes with, whoa, 54 colors. That's a lot. As to the rendering, might not look the best. Like if I look at the rendering, I would say that it's kind of pixelated, but as I mentioned before in my videos, in diamond painting, one cannot be objective on the rendering before the work is completed, because I had kits that had the most detailed rendering, but they turned out super pixelated. And on the contrary, the kits that looked pixelated while unboxing turned out really very detailed with high resolution after they were finished. So just look once again, and we will move to the drills. Very cute picture. As to the drills, so that's where Craftably kits become special. If you follow my channel, you know that I replace drills in 99% of my kits with crystals or ABs. When I kit up for it, I look at the areas which I can enhance with crystals and ABs, because these accents make a final result into a unique, customized, special piece of art. Now, Craftably does this job for me, and all their kits, including this one, come with different types of diamonds, not only resin ones, but also AB and crystals. I still might add some crystal accents to the kit, but I'm not sure yet. Oh my god, look at these beautiful bright Christmas colors. Okay guys, so apart from regular resin drills, this kit comes also with AB drills and crystals. I'm not going to unbox the resin drills. They are packaged so accurately, so nicely, I wouldn't be able to do that. I won't be able to pack it as well as Craftably did. There are 54 colors, really very nice ones, but I will show you the crystals and ABs. So this kit comes with 54 colors. 3 of them are crystals. 3 of them are ABs, which are red ones. Red ones go here on the door. This is a symbol. So red ABs are red symbol mostly. They used on the doors, on the bow, on the wreath, and some on Santa. Now, yellow ABs, mostly they're used on the window to illuminate the light coming out of the window, which is great. That's where I would definitely use it myself, and on the lantern. Now, it comes with white ABs, which would definitely go on the snow. This is this symbol, the round with the dot, the circle with the dot, and two crystals. They're really very nice. This sparkles so beautiful. I will elaborate on the quality of the drills once I start working, but I already can see how sparkly they are. So 26 symbol is used mostly again on the window and on the Christmas tree lights. Number 3, this is symbol number 3. Here it is. And these are the areas where I would think to replace the resin drills with crystals and ABs myself. So really nice that they did this job for me. And green, 21, symbol 21, symbol F, letter F. It goes mostly to the Christmas tree. Not many, but over here. So I'm really very happy. What else I like about this company, and this is very important for me, I haven't mentioned it, and this is one of the criteria that is the most important for me when it comes to diamond paintings. This company has a team of artists that charts their kids. This is super important for me. Maybe that is why their kids turn out very detailed, with very good resolution. So this is important for me. Okay, so once I complete my cobblestone bridge from Diamond Dust, I'm almost done with it. I will start working on Craftable kit. I'm really very excited to try it. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave the link to this kit in the description box below. The sale is still going on. Thank you and see you soon.